Hi everybody, I am Dr. Samir Ahire. I am a board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon and I do practice in Mumbai and Goa. And in today's video, I am going to tell you 5 tips regarding facelift for an early recovery. So the first thing what you need to keep in mind is before the procedure, stop all medications. For example, if you are taking any kind of aspirin related medications or NSAIDs group of medications, you are supposed to stop it before procedure itself. Why? Because this will decrease your bleeding risk. It will decrease your hematoma, your swelling will be less and will help in early recovery or early healing. If you don't stop these medications, definitely we'll be able to do your procedure, but then it's our speed becomes little bit slow because we need to go and do hemostasis of each and every part. So from that point of view, if you want a early recovery, then stop all the medication. The second thing is stop smoking at least 10 days before the procedure and for 2 weeks after the procedure. Why this is important is smoking decreases your blood supply. So if you do stop smoking, then definitely we are able to tighten your face to a good extent, and plus to that we don't compromise on your blood supply. The third thing is we do advocate our patients to go for at least 30 minutes of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. What is hyperbaric oxygen chamber is, we ask you to go to visit a center where they have a chamber in which you have to go and relax for 30 minutes. It gives you oxygen in little bit of high concentration so that your tissue are well perfused and your healing is faster. So we advocate you to visit the hyperbaric chamber center at least 2 times before the procedure and 3 times after the procedure in a gap of 2 to 3 days, so that you have less amount of swelling, your tissues are well perfused, you have a beautiful and a very fast recovery. The fourth factor is when you are sleeping, then you are supposed to sleep in a supine position. You are not supposed to sleep on your tummy, right, left. Plus to that, many people do advocate you to sleep with head elevated. We don't do that. We ask you to lie down in a straight position, because what we want is whatever swelling you have should gravitate behind the ear. If you are going to sleep with head elevation, then your swelling is going to gravitate in your lower part of your face, and then it will be a slow healing. If you sleep straight, then all the swelling will gravitate on the back part of your scalp and it will help in faster healing. And the last factor is regarding the hair wrap. Many people do advocate to use a hair wrap for at least 10 to 15 days, but if you are doing a deep clean facelift, then we ask you to use it for only 1 to 3 days, because when we are doing deep facelift, we have tagged all the structures together, so all the tension and everything is taken by those structures and you don't need any compression. But if you are doing any kind of superficial facelift, like if you are doing smart plication, or if you are like pulling up the smart or smart excision, then definitely head wrap is advocated. We do ask you to wear it for at least 5 to 7 days from the day of your procedure. This all tip will definitely help you in a early and a fast recovery and with minimal morbidity. So if you are also looking for facelift, come to our channel, like this video, subscribe to our channel, put your comments in your comment box. My team will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.